Summer's hitting hard, and the choice usually comes down to sweating it out or paying to cool rooms nobody's sitting in. In this BlizzAir review, I'll be talking about this portable air cooler that claims to give you cold air in 60 seconds with no window kit and nothing to drill into. I'll go through what's good about it and what isn't. But is it just another gimmick that will fail when the heat gets too much? Let's find out. But if you're not interested in this review and just want to grab BlizzAir at a discount, then click the link below in the description. Okay, let's get straight into the pros of the BlizzAir portable air cooler. Cold air fast, and you set how cold. It claims to give you cold air in 60 seconds. That's the air leaving the front, not the whole room, and it's worth knowing the difference. You set the temperature on the touchscreen or with the remote anywhere from 75 degrees down to 60. So on an afternoon when the room's been holding heat since noon, you're not standing there for half an hour wondering whether it's doing anything. No window kit and nothing to drill. You take it out of the box. You plug it into a wall outlet. You pick a mode. That's the whole setup. There's no window kit and no hose to feed outside, and nothing gets drilled into a wall or a window frame. If you rent, that's the part that matters because you don't need to get your landlord involved. Nothing to empty and less damp air. Inside, the air passes over two cold coils. Warm air hitting cold metal leaves water behind, and that's the water other portable units collect in a tank and make you pour out every evening. This cooler evaporates it inside the cabinet instead, so there's nothing to empty and no drain hose to find a home for. Sensors track the humidity while it runs, so what comes back at you is drier than what went in, and the sticky feeling in a warm room goes with it. Quiet enough to sleep next to. It's sold as Whisper Quiet, which is a description rather than a number. What I can tell you is that it never woke me up, and I left it running through calls in the day without anyone asking what the noise was. There's a sleep mode that drops it to its quietest and lowest power setting overnight. It also has protection built in for overheating and overload, so leaving it on while you sleep isn't something to worry about, and the remote means you can change the temperature without getting out of bed. Okay, let's check out the negatives of the BlizzAir AC unit. It only cools one room at a time. That 550 square feet is an up to number, and it depends on your room. High ceilings or a big open plan layout will all affect its performance. If you want the whole house cool, this isn't the appliance for it, and you're looking at several units or a split system instead. The filter needs cleaning with no set schedule. It filters the air on the way through, and that's a good thing right up until the filter clogs. It doesn't give you an interval for cleaning or replacing it, so you're guessing. So just pull it out and look at it once a month, then clean it when it's visibly dusty. Overall, BlizzAir is a solid portable air cooler for anyone who needs to cool the room they're in without installing anything. The cold air arrives fast, and you can set it as low as 60 degrees. There's nothing to install and nothing to drill, so it works in a rental without anyone's permission. You never have to empty a tank because it evaporates the water inside the cabinet, and it's quiet enough to sleep next to, then it runs heat once the summer's over. Now, if you want to grab BlizzAir at a big discount, then click the link below this video in the description and it will take you to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead type the following URL into your browser, habitcast.com/blizz. I hope you enjoyed this BlizzAir review and thanks again for watching.